Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking an easy one-pot chicken stew to go with your rice. So let's start cooking. We're going to marinate the chicken now. I'm using 600 grams of chicken meat. Cut the chicken into pieces like this. Adding 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. Now in case you do not take alcohol, you can actually just forego this step. Just pour it in. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt. Dashes of pepper. And 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And we also add in 2 teaspoons of cornflour. Mix them up well and we'll leave them in the fridge to marinate for at least an hour. I'll see you back in a while. Now we're going to fry the chicken. Heat up a pan, add in a suitable amount of oil. Swirl the oil around. Add in 10 grams of ginger sliced. I'm using medium to medium-low heat right now. I don't want to burn the ginger, I just want to get the fragrance out. This dish is extremely delicious and very easy to cook. It's a one-pot dish and I hope everyone can try it at home. Now once you can see a little bit of char around the ginger, we'll add in the chicken. Put in all the chicken. Try the chicken out a little bit. You want to render the oil from the chicken out so that this will become tasty. Just pan fry them like this for 1 to 2 minutes. So one side is done. We add in 1 whole red onion sliced thinly like this. Just put it in. 3 stalks of spring onion using the white stem. Put it in. Smells really, really good. Now we'll add in the radish or daikon. This is 180 grams, diced into small pieces like this. Put it in. I'm also adding in 180 grams of carrot, diced almost the same size. Put it in. Right, mix them up well. It's a pretty easy and simple dish to cook at home. This is also a very wholesome meal. You have vegetables inside here, you have chicken, and it looks really, really pretty with all these beautiful colors inside here. Now we're going to add some chicken stock into here. I'm adding in 750 milliliter of chicken stock. If you do not have chicken stock, you can always use water, but of course this will be more flavorful. We'll cover this up and let this cook for 10 minutes first. This is my favorite Shogun by La Gourmet non-stick pan. It has served us well for many years. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Smells really, really good. Now we'll add a little bit of seasoning. 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And dashes of pepper. Now turn the heat up to high. And we will reduce the sauce. This will take approximately 8 to 10 minutes. I'll be reducing this for approximately 8-9 minutes around there. Let's just give this a taste, just to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Wow, beautiful. I think it's just perfect. Now we just need to thicken this up. Slowly add in some cornstarch solution, stirring while you pour it in. So when you have thickened it to the consistency that you like, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Turn off the flame and we'll add in a bunch of chopped spring onion. Mix it up and we are ready to serve. So let's serve this now. See it? We're finished cooking the dish, so let's just have a taste. Let me try the gravy first. Very flavorful. You can taste the sweetness of the chicken as well as the carrots and the radishes. Now let me pair it with a little bit of the rice. Yummy. Let's try the radish. It totally absorbs the sweetness of the gravy. It's really good. Try the chicken. Tender and smooth. This dish is perfect to go with steamed rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. 你要吃哈，可以了。